Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Tiffany. For those of you who don't know me, I upload beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. And right now I'm looking a little rough and I'm in my bathroom because some of you had asked me to film like an AM skincare routine video. So I figured that's what we would do today. So everything in this is pretty much products I would use like 95% of the time, with the exception of my exfoliator. I only exfoliate like twice a week. And then I do have one new product in here, and that is the Farmacy Green Defense Daily Mineral Sunscreen. I had a previous sunscreen from The Ordinary, but it gave me like this horrible purple cast and I look like a purple people eater. So I'm on the hunt for a mineral sunscreen that doesn't have that horrible like white cast or turn me purple or blue. So hopefully this Farmacy one will be good because I've heard good things about it. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today, a little AM skincare video. If you're interested in checking my skincare routine out, make sure to stick around. Also click that subscribe button for more future content from me, and give this video a big thumbs up to show your support. Now on to the skincare. So the first step of my morning skincare routine is to cleanse. Right now I'm using the Kate Somerville Gentle Daily Wash. I picked this up a couple of months ago before I was using Purity. I actually have like a huge bottle of that still. So this is my jumbo wumbo bottle of Purity. But yeah, I was using Purity for like maybe 10 years, guys. But I decided I wanted to like, you know, try out a new cleanser, and I really been liking this Kate Somerville one. I do like bounce back and forth between the two. But mostly I just use Purity to kind of like wash my brushes and stuff. But yeah, so I'm just gonna wet my face and then go in with the Kate Somerville wash. The next step in my skincare routine is to exfoliate. I do have two different exfoliators. I have this one, which is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub Exfoliant. And then I have the Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub. So just kind of like depending on what my skin is feeling is which one I will go in with. This one is a lot more gentle, and this one is way more like intense. So if my skin is feeling like really textured or just like really like not good, this is the one I'm gonna go in with. But if I'm just looking to like, you know, do a light exfoliation, then this is the one I will use. So today, I think we're gonna go in with the Pure. Actually, I haven't done this one in a while. So we're gonna do the Derma E today. Once I'm done going to the sink, I then go in with some toner. This is the Thayer's Witch Hazel Coconut Water. I don't have cotton pads, so I just like to use my hands with this one, and then I'll just like kind of powder it all over the skin. So after toner, the next thing I go in with is the COSRX Advanced Nail 96 Mousse and Power Essence. And this stuff just helps with like product absorption and keeps your skin feeling nice and smooth throughout the day. I can definitely tell a difference when I don't use this as far as like the hydration in my skin goes. So I use that every day. And then while I wait for my essence to kind of like sink into the skin, I go ahead and go in with some eye cream. This is the Origins Ginseng Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. I just use my ring finger to apply that because a lady at a Mary Kay party said that your ring finger is your weakest finger, and so it's the best finger to apply your eye products with, because you don't want to like tug on your eye or go in too hard or anything like that. And then she also said just to apply it like when you smile, like closer. So when you smile, any lines that you see around your eyes is where you want to put your eye cream. I probably look like a crazy person, but anywhere that you see lines is where you want to apply your eye product, because that's the areas around your eyes where you're most likely to like develop wrinkles or fine lines. So anyways, the next step in my skincare routine is to exfoliate. I do have two different exfoliators. I have this one, which is the L'Oreal Pure Sugar Scrub Exfoliant. And then I have the Derma E Microdermabrasion Scrub. So just kind of like depending on what my skin is feeling is which one I will go in with. This one is a lot more gentle, and this one is way more like like intense. So if my skin is feeling like really textured or just like really like not good, this is the one I'm gonna go in with. But if I'm just looking to like, you know, do a light exfoliation, then this is the one I will use. So today, I think we're gonna go in with the Pure. Actually, I haven't done this one in a while. So we're gonna do the Derma E today, and then like another like serum type oil thing. But yeah, I'm so sad that I didn't pick up like more of these when they were on like when they were on sale, because like it's so good that I'm willing to pay the $75 for it, but the sale price was a lot better. And then after letting my serum soak in, the next thing I'm gonna go in with is the Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. After letting my serum soak in, the next product I go in with is my moisturizer. Right now I'm using the Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. This stuff is really nice on the skin. It always like feels like it's kind of cooler than the temperature around it, so it kind of like feels like cooling on the skin. I don't think there's any cooling properties in it, but I don't know, that's just what it feels like to me. But I really like this one. It's really nice, and if my skin is feeling irritated at all ever, which it usually doesn't because my products are pretty gentle, except for the exfoliator that I used today, it can be a little rough on the skin, but other than that, everything is pretty gentle. And then while I wait for my moisturizer to set, I go in with a lip product. This is the Farmacy Lip Bloom. This is just what I have in the bathroom, like in my skincare basket. This is the lavender and mint one. I mentioned this in a favorites video. It's just like really nice and hydrating. And then last but not least, I go in with a SPF. Like I said, I'm gonna be trying out the Farmacy Green Defense Daily Mineral Sunscreen today. Let's, fingers crossed that I don't get a horrible white cast. That looks so good, guys. Like, I'm kind of in shock. It's like very hard to find mineral sunscreens that doesn't turn like brown girls purple or like just gives us white cast. But this is actually pretty invisible. Like I can see it on my skin only because like I know that it like the color of my face has changed a little bit, but it's not purple and it's not white and I'm not blue. It's just kind of there, and that's just putting it on top of like all my products. But I imagine once it actually like sits on the skin and like seeps in, like that you won't be able to see it at all, which is amazing. So I'm super excited about this. If you've been looking for a like mineral sunscreen that doesn't have like that weird cast, try out the Green Defense from Farmacy. Alright guys, so that is it. That is my AM skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also leave me a comment below letting me know what your skincare routine looks like. Do you use any of these same products, or is there a product that you would recommend I try? I'm always down to try new skincare, so let me know in a comment below if there's any product that you think I should give a go. But yeah, other than that, just make sure to click that subscribe button for more future content from me. I will be uploading videos every single day in May, so if you're interested in knowing when those videos go live, make sure to click the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload. But yeah, I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye.